Hi friends, thank you for being here. It's great to meet you all. So in last session we have understood what exactly obesity means. So today let's understand why obesity occurs, right? Why does our body keep storing all that fat and what is it? Why is it body doing that? Because we don't really like it, isn't it? So if you get to see that as when we developed as human being, right? Our ancestors were living in caves and forests and places where they had to really look out for food. They had to hunt, they had to search the trees and find the fruits and then get to eat. So that was the time when our bodies were designed, and as our chromosomes and our bodies were evolving, our bodies have learned to accumulate and store. Because you will hunt, you will find a tree and get the fruits and you will eat, and then maybe for few more days you will not find another food and you have to survive on whatever you've eaten. So then our bodies were automatically designed to save whatever they get and whenever they get. So that is how our body has developed this tendency of accumulation. Also, as human being, as our mind, we have this habit of accumulation. So as kids we learn to accumulate knowledge and use that later, right? As we grow up, we believe in working and accumulating money, accumulating realistic things and then use them over the period, right? So the way our mind works, our body works exactly the same. So because of our ancestral habits and because of the way our mind works, both these things contribute into making our bodies learn to accumulate everything. And when we are eating a lot, our bodies accumulate a lot. So though our situation has changed, now there is no food scarcity. Now the food is available at every nook and corner. The food is available at our disposal all the time. But genetically, our body has still not evolved to suit to this new situation, new scenario. And that is why, though the food is available everywhere, our body still feels that whenever I get food, I need to store up all those nutrients. So I can use those nutrients later for using as building blocks, using as energy to survive, to function and all of that. That is why our bodies try to convert everything and store it up. And the easiest way to store up is converting everything in fat. If you're doing good exercise, then yes, your nutrients are going to be converted into muscles, into building blocks, and then fat accumulations reduce. But if not, then it is all the fat that gets stored up, right? There is also genetic predisposition to obesity. As we know, obesity is also a disease, just like diabetes or hypertension or thyroid imbalance or any other disease that we know about, metabolic disease. So obesity also comes under the same category. And since it is a disease, there is genetic markers which carries the tendency of obesity. So you can have those genes which make you predisposed to easily developing obesity. Also, it is our hormonal changes, it is our metabolic changes, it is a lot of hormonal imbalance which causes obesity. There is also something called as set point, which makes us retain the weight. So that also can be a cause of obesity. We'll talk about the set point in next session. Till then, try understanding this changed food scenario and understand why your bodies are accumulating so much fat. To know a lot of health tips and healthy recipes, and have you checked your BMI? So to know your fat percentage, your BMI, BMR, You can visit Rejoice Wellness website and we have calculators given there, or you can download Rejoice Wellness Android app and you have calculators on that also. So all that wellness information that we are always giving out is available at your fingertips. So download the app. Yeah. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and stay updated. So till then, take care. Bye.